Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your TRX tokens from Robinhood to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tron holdings to a different exchange for better features or security, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Gemini. If you haven't already, download the apps or log in via their websites. Why do this? Robinhood is great for beginners, but Gemini offers more advanced tools for crypto trading, and transferring assets is a smart way to optimize your portfolio. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood account. Head over to the crypto section and locate your TRX holdings. It's usually under Portfolio or Crypto Wallet. Once you find it, select the Withdraw or Transfer option. Remember, in 2025, Robinhood might have updated interfaces, so keep an eye out for any new prompts. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to specify the amount of TRX you want to transfer. Pro tip: double-check the network. TRX typically uses the Tron network, so ensure it's selected to avoid any errors. Step 3. Get your Gemini wallet address. Open the Gemini app or website, go to your wallet, and find the deposit option for TRX. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of characters, so no typos allowed. Step 4. Paste the Gemini address into the Robinhood withdrawal form. Review the transaction details, including any fees. In 2025, expect potential network fees around $1 to $5, depending on congestion. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Step 5. Wait for the transfer to complete. This usually takes 10 to 30 minutes, but it can vary. Once it's done, check your Gemini account to verify the TRX has arrived. A quick word of caution: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets secure. And if you're new to crypto, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you transfer TRX from Robinhood to Gemini in 2025. It's a straightforward process that puts you in control of your investments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.